Good morning, guys. So in the last video we unboxed Lane's paint and this is the color that they sent us. This is definitely not what I ordered, but now seeing it the next day and it's dried down, it's darker but it's still super intense, and I don't even know if we can work with this color, honestly. So later on today we're gonna try to see if we can make a test sample or do like a test panel and see if we can add some pearls in it to make it look a little bit better. So we do have this gold pearl that I tried adding into my paint, and then we do have this yellow this is the 350Z pearl, and this one looks really nice, especially in the sun. It has a really nice shimmer to it. So we're gonna try those out later on today, but right now I'm gonna start prepping the car for some primer, so that way when we do finally decide if we're gonna stick with this color or buy new paint, then the car is pretty much ready to get painted. I'm gonna start taping everything off and then start mixing some paint or primer.
Too many days that I made this mistake. Too many nights you and I said goodbye. Too many drinks to express how I hate you. I'm almost done cause it's too many times. We can't undo what we keep on doing. We can't untry what we tried so far. Hope to win, feel what we keep on feeling, but you can't unbreak my broken heart. Every time I need closure, let's run and get closer to you. Don't you make you feel fun over? Gotta get sober. Oh, I can't feel now. Why you gotta hang right over my head like that? Why'd you do it, baby? I'm just trying to get closer.
This is the gun that we got from Harbor Freight. It was super easy to set up because everything was actually pretty much on the gun. I just had to tighten everything and then take this off and just tighten it again. But I'm gonna spray some acetone through it and then I can put the primer inside. I might as well put it off. The primer's all inside the cup. I'm gonna just lay it down and then we'll probably do like 3 coats. There's primer on the back half of the car now. I'm super stoked because it's just another step closer to paint. I can't wait to see this car painted. So I'm just gonna let it dry for the rest of the day. We're gonna head down to San Jose and I'm gonna take Blaine on like a little date. So we're gonna get ready and then we'll head out.
What's up, guys? We're gonna get some malasadas. You guys don't know what that is. We're gonna show you guys right now.
I don't be real as where it's at. You know how I keep track of it? It's because of my
We're gonna try this out right now.
Oh babe, inspo fit. The orange truck.
Orange truck. Oh shoot. We gotta go that color now. Alright guys, bag secured. Alright guys, so we're gonna try this out. I know it's something a little bit different on the channel, but we just wanted to show you guys like a little bit of not our daily life. Frick, that sounds so fat. This is a new place called Do Me. We wanted to try for a minute, but look at these malasadas. This is ube, this is white rabbit, and this is, I think I call it a chocolate Alaska, but we just got it because it looks bomb. If you guys don't know what this is pretty much just like a filled donut with sugar all over it. It's super bomb. We got this place called Leonard's Malasadas back home. If you guys don't know, or if you guys ever visit Hawaii, Leonard's Malasadas is the place to go. They're original. Oh, brah, look at this, guys. Oh, the marshmallow part is good. Should I just rip it or should I bite it?
You should bite it.
Okay, ready? First bite. Here we go.
What is it? Chocolate on the inside?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty mean. So the difference with this one is Hawaii, you can get them hot. Yeah. This is more like a donut that's been sitting for maybe not long, but it's not hot anymore.
This one is really good.
Good. This is good.
This one's good too. I thought it was just gonna be vanilla, but it tastes like White Rabbit.
I ate this. I ate a whole nut. I can't even. That's really good. All right, guys. Christine's gonna finish that up, and we're gonna head to the next spot. We're gonna grab some actual food right now. Meat June is like a very popular dish in Hawaii. We couldn't really find it up here, but Christine found a spot, so we're gonna try it out right now.
It's good?
Yep, it's just like Hawaii.
Even the sauce?
Surprisingly, it's really good. So we're back from lunch, guys. We're gonna go ahead and test out the pearls to hopefully change the tone of this orange right here. I don't know about you guys, but this is too orange for my liking. I'm hoping that a pearl would change the tone. So we have a couple of pearls here that I want to try. We have a bunch of pearls, but a couple of them, gold pearl.
That's a nice pearl.
Yeah, and the yellow pearl that I used on my 350Z. So we're gonna just go ahead and spread the base on my roof spoiler here. We have it primed white. This is just a test panel. It's not gonna be perfect because, you know, we're not trying to do things perfect around here. Probably a portion of it is gonna be stock base, and then I do want to try to tone this down a little bit, or like make this less vivid, because that's a really deep orange.
Yeah.
It's like a deep bright orange. How do you explain that? This is like orange.
It's orange red.
So yeah, it's like a scarlet orange, scarlet red. This booger is different, not in a good way. We're gonna be using the little touch-up gun. It's crazy because I didn't think we were gonna use this thing.
Guess what color it is?
1, 2, 3. Oh gosh, this is nuts, guys. That's a freaking orange, bro.
It's a cute little gun.
Yeah, we're gonna try.
I know it's just bad, but please put a leash on me anyway. Who needs self-esteem anyway? Hey, myself to make you stay, put me away. I'll be right here. With open arms. Don't get me open.
I think we'll go with the yellow pearl first.
Okay.
Yeah. The yellow pearl will be on the inside, and then we'll do the gold pearl on the outsides.
Okay.
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 Yeah, that's enough for that amount of paint. Oh.
Pull up on the hop, hit his curb upside it. Notice when you mad, ain't no words, just silence. You my favorite color, now you see it in every shade of me. You say that I'm tripping, now hit back like where you taking me. Locked in the life on God, no replacement.
So this one right here is the gold. We just did the yellow. This is the gold pearl.
I really like that pearl. Do you want to show what it looks like?
In the gun?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Just don't suicide. I can 5-piece your wrist AP. Do the ups and downs and all the heat. Take a turn and tell you where to be. Back shots make you feel relief.
Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and let it dry for, I don't know, a little bit. But right off the bat, I really like the gold pearl on the dark orange.
This one is really nice.
That's super nice.
Even like on, I like it because it looks nice on the edges and everything too when it reflects.
Yeah. The yellow pearl looks really good, but it changes it to be like really brighter, whereas the gold adds like a subtle hint to
Yeah,
it.
and it kind of tones it down.
Yeah. And then obviously this is like the regular orange, the base.
Original.
Yeah. This is the middle, and then here's
Yeah.
another base.
I'm surprised at how pink this one turned. It doesn't look pink at all in the camera, but
No.
it's a
In real
really
life,
peachy color.
Yeah, this is really peach. This is really nice. If we were gonna go orange, which we weren't planning on, this would be the color, I think. I really like that a lot.
Yeah, because in the sun or in the light, it looks really golden or like yellowy.
Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and let this dry, come back, and hopefully we have some sun out so we can show you guys what it looks like in the sun.
So it's been drying for a couple of minutes, or maybe about 15 minutes.
No, it's been like 20, 30 minutes actually.
Oh, it's been that long?
Yeah.
Okay, so what time is it?
6:30.
6:30?
So let's take it out in the sun, guys. Oh yeah, right here.
Oh,
look.
wow.
Oh yeah. We're only looking at the part that we like. This is
Yeah.
That's really nice.
That is really nice. They almost look all the same.
On camera, they look almost all the same.
But this one has to be the best one.
Yeah. Gold pearl on the regular base is the nicest. Second, I think, is the yellow on the dark base.
Yeah. It kind of goes 1, 2, 3, 4, I think.
Yeah.
This one almost looks pink.
Like
This color looks
more
like,
orange, more peachy than that.
This kind of looks like, you remember when I was making all the test colors for my car and I had
Yeah.
that cup?
Oh yeah,
This
that's
looks
what
like this was the color I was gonna paint my car.
Yeah. I really like this though.
Not in the sun. This one has a peachy tone. Do you see it?
Yeah. It brightened up a lot.
Yeah, so out of the sun, I think this one looks better. Because,
Oh, because
You know-
it has that orange.
yeah, because then that one is almost like a darker version of this.
But in the sun though, this one looks better.
Yeah. Where's your stick? Your mixing stick?
Look at that bugger. That way better than that.
Way better. I really like how it's yellow and then it kind of fades to orange with the light.
Yeah. So this is the base with gold pearl. This one right here is the base with some yellow pearl. This is a lighter base with yellow pearl. And this is a lighter base with gold pearl. So honestly, this is a cool color. I don't really like it. I don't really like this. This is okay. This is the best one, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference on camera. You might be able to see like this differences, but in person, you can really tell the difference. And this one, this color right here, so bomb.
It is really good.
Yeah, this color right here, not bomb.
You sure?
Yeah, that is bomb. This no bomb. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and give us a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. Go ahead and let us know in the description which color you guys would choose out of the oranges, because that's what we have to work with right now. But yeah, we're really interested to hear what you guys have to say about the colors. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. All right, head over to carshopbloom.com, support what we got here going on the channel. All proceeds go right back in here to help us make more content for you guys. So thank you guys so much for love and support. Peace out and stay good.